Well, hello guys, welcome to another video. So also Merry Christmas in advance. So for today's video I am trying vanilla cake recipe from Cake Mogul. I think that's her name, I forgot, but yeah, it's a very easy recipe. So all you need to do is weigh your eggs. So my eggs weighed about 230 grams, and I use 230 grams of self-raising flour and also 230 grams of eggs, as sugar, as well as butter. So everything is of equal measurements and all. So I use the paddle attachment to beat everything till everything is well incorporated and smooth before baking. And I baked it at a temperature of 150 degrees. So like you need to bake this at a slow temperature so it will rise beautifully and soft and like retain the moisture and everything. So yeah, after baking it, everything was nice and everybody enjoyed it. So I think you should definitely try out this recipe. You can go and check out all the instructions in the description box down below, and also check out my channel for future videos like baking videos and all. Yeah, thank you so much for watching and Merry Christmas in advance. See you in my next video. Bye.